Got a little Roadrunner out here on the fence, soaking up some morning sun. Well, this is not the usual visitor to our hummingbird feeder, but this Gila Woodpecker is trying to figure it out. Seems like he's getting something. Oh, he's gone. Anyway, that was kind of interesting. Roadrunner came to the backyard and several other birds left. There he goes. He's always hunting for something. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this cactus. For those that don't live in the area, or our winter visitor friends that are not here at this time of year, the saguaro actually do bloom. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see these beautiful flowers. Let's give you one. That's one. And we'll come out. There's the rest of them on on the tops of the arms, and then the very top up here, they're blooming. So I just wanted you to realize that saguaro actually do bloom. It's a beautiful huge cactus. So anyway, that's what the whole thing looks like right there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. These are beautiful when they're in bloom, and the birds pick at the blooms and eat the seeds and spread the seeds, and that's how we get more saguaro cactus. Anyway, thanks for watching. Baby quail in my backyard. Daddy looks like he was looking for a lost one here. He's looking around. There he is. Doesn't he look like he's looking for a lost one? Here's all the babies. They're all gonna jump down. They're right with Mama. Okay, she went down. Here they go.